Namaste. My name is Malvika Pillai. Today I am going to tell you about Indian Independence Day. Every year on August 15, we Indians celebrate Independence Day. Do you know why? Because on this day in 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrate this day with lots of joy and pride. We also remember the brave freedom fighters who fought so hard. Our national flag can be seen everywhere on this day. Have you seen our flag? It has got three colors: saffron in the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. There is a blue chakra in the middle. Our flag is called the Tiranga, which means three colors. We also sing our national anthem called Jana Gana Mana. We should stand still and sing it with pride. Independence Day is a day to remember how lucky we have to be free. We should love and take care of our country. We should be kind, help others, be good boys and girls. So let's celebrate this day with lots of joy and pride. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. Today we gather to celebrate 70th Independence Day of our nation. On this historic day, we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought for freedom of India from the British rule. This day teaches about the power of unity among Indians. Today you will see our little kids dressed up as the freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapu and father of the nation. Gandhiji fought for India to get independence from the British rule. We should follow the ideals taught by him. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India and he was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. Pandit Nehru was a key teacher of the Indian National Congress and the independent movement. He loved the children so much and the children used to call him Chacha Nehru. We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day every year. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was a great freedom fighter of India who was popularly known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd January 1897 at Cuttack in Odisha. He was elected as the President of Indian National Congress in 1938. Subhash Chandra Bose wanted to free India from the British rule, so he formed the Indian National Army. Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman Prime Minister of India, also known as Iron Lady of India. She was born on 19 November 1917 in Allahabad. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Her courage and strength will always inspire women all over the world. Sarojini Naidu. She was a freedom fighter and a social activist in India. She was also a famous poet and she was known as Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She became the president of Indian National Congress in 1925. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter of India. She is also known as Jhansi Ki Rani. She was born on 19 November 1828 at Varanasi. Rani Lakshmi Bai fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. Annie Musgrave. She was born on 6 June 1902 at Trivandrum. Annie Musgrave was an Indian independence activist, politician and a lawyer. She was a member of the Constituent Assembly of India in 1952. She became the first woman from Kerala to be elected as a member of parliament. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, known as B.R. Ambedkar, was born on 14th April 1891. He is called the architect of the Constitution of India and he was the first law minister of India.
Good morning friends, I am Sarah Jagagidya. Today I am going to speak on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It's National Festival of India. Prime Minister hosts National Flag on Red Fort. Teaches about the power of unity among Indians. Many great leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and so on, sacrificed their lives during freedom struggles. Thank you.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, मम्मा तुझे सलाम,
week. I am in LKGC. I am going to speak about Independence Day. Today it's a Independence Day. I wish all of you happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. India got independence on 15 August 1947. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I am proud to be an Indian. I love much in the country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Soldiers. Soldiers are the guardian of a nation. They protect the country, and soldiers are the members of the army. Their life is full of sacrifices, and they are always ready to fight against enemies. They always protect their country even at the cost of their lives. Soldiers are always young and strong. Our society gives a very much respect to the soldiers. Jai Hind.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो।